jealousy, bad mind. The man them say a beer face shot him get. Bro, something do it, brother. Something do it. That's why I'm stay far from people. Remember, most enemies were once friends.
My God, man, first and I know boss said, what take place on the app is not safe. The app not safe, none at all. Jesus, I can't believe.
What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel once again. It's Kisaka. It's my YouTube channel name, and I'm happy to have you back. Kindly subscribe if you have not. Like this video, share it out, and also leave your sweet comments. Guys, today this is a very sad video. I'm actually saddened by what is happening in some of these social media platforms concerning our Jamaican brothers and sisters. Recently, there have been a spate of killings, or rather, there have been several attacks on some of these TikTokers. Let me share some of the videos of Jamaicans reacting to what has been happening before we come back and I share some of my, or I comment on the same.
Get 10 pow and him pass since night. My God, man, first and I know boss said, what take place on the app is not safe. The app not safe, none at all. At this point, I'm glad he's not even a big TikToker or ranker because app serious. Jesus, I can't believe. What really take place?
People, may I say it one last time. If you respect Bossed and you love Bossed and you support Bossed all these months, do not look at that picture of his dead body. Honor him by remembering him jovial ways. Honor him by remembering all the jokes them when him tell. Remember him by him giving the youth them knowledge and giving the youth them inspiration and tell them say don't scam, scamming ain't no good something. Who be there on the money? Yeah, him name Bossed, of course, him name Bossed. I'ma feel like that's why whosoever do him that in him face, bro. Because him name Bossed. Youth, I'm telling you something. Watch the name them wanna call themselves. Watch the type of things them wanna involve in. I'm telling you, please, even if you stay safe, people will come and name your food same way. But the safer you are the more likely you stay safe. You understand what I'm dealing? Don't entertain certain lifestyle. Watch the words them want to listen to. Them song nowadays grimy youths. Them say music not inspire or influence people for nothing. Oh, music don't inspire people or influence people. But me lick down police a ground. Song come out. And then police accident start go up. Man them start lick down police. So when you hear a song about slap out head and this and that, bro, them thing they inspire people for do things, yeah? Me lick down police a ground and people start lick down police. Music do inspire, music do influence. The boss said, dog.
They must have to do the video.
And the people them who are pass around these videos and pass around these pictures. Stop it, yo. Stop it. Stop. So I see him say if my clock, I say be a face shot, bro. Them think that hatred behind that, brother. When you see a man get so much face shot, brother, the man want him parents feel it. He want him people them feel it. Face shot, you know, said no blood clot casket can't go on. They did that with hatred. Anytime you see a man get so much face shot, bro, hatred they behind that, brother. Hatred they behind that. Jealousy, bad mind. The man them say a beer face shot him get. Bro, something do it, brother. Something do it. That's why I'm stay far from people. Remember, most enemies were once friends. Jamaica need Jesus. Jamaica need Jesus. The amount of church where they are Jamaica right now. Right now, yeah, you have people that wonder if Jesus real. Eh? You have people that wonder if Jesus real now. If your country have How much church per capita per square mile? The most church in the world per capita per square mile. Little Jamaica with 3 million people. I have to say Jamaica need Jesus. Jamaica need a purge. Him own family them do it, him uncle. You are on a fake page. Me not take what you say into consideration. We probably tell a lie. Misinformation. And this is another thing to people. Rest in peace, Bossed. But this is another thing I'm wanting for the people. Do not come up with no conspiracy theories as who no believe. No conspiracy theory about who no believe do what and who did what.
You serious?
Fresh drop.
On live? Father God. Guys, on live? Wanna see it on the live or you hear the shot on the live? Wanna see when you get the shot? Jesus Christ. Father God, TikTok need to lock down today. Father, me get me afraid. Honestly, I'm afraid. Me live a foreign, I'm afraid. I'm afraid. No, I'm afraid. Me start wonder who next now.
Fresh drop.
Me start wonder who next now. Who are gonna be next? That's the first thing come to my mind now. Who is going to be next? I wonder if I'm serious.
So thank you guys for watching this video. You have seen the reactions of some of these Jamaicans, and they are still Jamaicans content creators, especially on TikTok. It is very sad what has been happening on TikTok. Of late, recently we had one of the TikToker by the name Naya Gang was unalived live on TikTok. Imagine doing a video and then your life ends just like that. In some of these videos, one of the reaction from the lady, the Jamaican lady, you can see that she's asking, how safe are Jamaicans? There's even one Jamaican who is, she's a foreign. She's not in Jamaica and she's wondering, how safe is Jamaica? How safe are our brothers and sisters who are content creators on TikTok? And what are our brothers and sisters on TikTok doing? Are we on social media for violence, to kill one another, or are we on social media to help one another, grow, and to show things that some people don't know about? How safe are our brothers and sisters? Most of these content creators have been going live, and when you go live, your location is known. And some of these content creators that have been unalived were doing that. And I think when you are a content creator, you should involve in positives. Don't entertain bad life. The life of guns, the life of flossing with money. This is not good. You know, when you floss around with money, people tend to think maybe that you are rich, and maybe the money that you are flossing with is not even yours. You should involve in positive things, providing solutions, entertaining people, and even if you entertain people, entertain them in a positive manner. Don't remember that one day you'll grow up, you'll become old, and your children might be looking at some of your content. What will people remember you when you are on earth and when you leave this earth? It is good that some of these content creators, like the one that has been unalived recently, the one that people are reacting on these videos, he was speaking about some of the positive things, irrespective of him at times going astray. He spoke about scamming and he was advising youth not to scam. But what I don't like about some of his videos is about the flossing and the language. I'm sorry to talk this way. This is just my opinion, guys. I don't like some of the language that some of these content creators use. We should watch our language. We should not go online and then start coming with bad words and flossing, showing what we have. There's even one video that a content creator show this magazine live on camera? What are we showing to our kids? Also, the music that is out there. I've been saying some of this music, it is just pure lies, because you find people popping money, uh, popping alcoholic bottles here and there. You know what does that send? Our African brothers might be looking at some of these videos, and then they think that that is the kind of life when one becomes rich. The same music inspires and influence. We should watch the kind of videos that our young ones are getting across or are watching. It should be videos that inspire, videos that have some lessons that some of our children are able to learn. In one of these reaction videos, somebody commented about Jamaica needing Jesus. Yes, Jamaicans need Jesus. I understand Jamaicans, or Jamaica as a country, is one of the countries with the highest numbers of churches. And this guy, I'm sure he is a Christian. And him denying the fact that the Jamaicans do not need Jesus, this is wrong. We need Jesus. And in as much as we need Jesus, we should have that love. You cannot say that you love Jesus or you love God and you don't love your neighbors. The love should start from your vicinity, from your neighbors. Even if you speak in tongues, even if you do miracles, if you don't have love, it's like nothing. And also the love in social media should be portrayed by when such a scenario has happened. You as content creators, don't go around coming up with conspiracy theories. I was trying to look some of the videos, and in such a time, people are coming up with conspiracy theories. One person is saying, hey, because you remember that there was a time this happened, and so they start coming up with allegations, accusing this guy of doing something. This TikToker has done this. Even recently I did a video about there's one of the TikToker who was really concerned about this, and he was calling for the ban of TikTok in Jamaica, because TikTok, when it first came out, people were promoting their music, their dances, and it's still happening the whole worldwide, especially here in Africa. There are some artists who are unknown, and because of the social media platform, they get to be known easily. But what is happening in Jamaica? There are some people now, they are using TikTok in a very bad manner, promoting gangster kind of lifestyle. Kindly, let's this stop. It is not good to see our brothers just losing their lives anyhowly because of jealousy. You know, when you do that, somebody else might be jealous, and maybe they might unalive you so that they can have that chance to rule. This is just my concern, guys. I know I've also been getting attacks here and there from some Jamaicans who are saying that I'm an African and I should not speak on issues to do with the Jamaica. I should leave Jamaicans alone. This is just a concern that I see. I've seen, and and I had the urge to just come out and speak about it. These are my thoughts on this situation. Kindly, if you have those videos of the live, I'm sure this is public, but whenever you see something bad that has happened, don't keep on posting it. I understand some of you content creators, creating content is not that easy. At times you wish to anything that you come across, but it's not good to post some of these things. It's like when some of these outlawed groups like the Al-Shabaab, when they do some dangers or unalive more people, it's not good to keep on reposting those videos. If you do that, if it's like you're giving them a chance, the perpetrators to as a chance to win. So this is the video that I had to uh, come across and I had to speak about. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it out. Until next time, God's blessings. And also enjoy your holiday. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Cheers, guys.